Hi there, welcome to Forex Prodigy. Glad to have you here. Right now, I'm looking at the Canadian dollar and the Swiss franc on the 1 hour chart. And the price action that I'm using to enter this trade is a pin bar right here. It's a bullish pin bar. And you see, I've kind of highlighted these bar lows because they're so important. And I want you all to try to use your imagination for a second and imagine this pin bar not being here. Okay? Imagine that this pin bar isn't here and all you have is this very nice support. Now the thing is when you see this type of situation, what you want to happen is that you want, if this is going to be a pin bar, you want it to break below this area as it did and come back up and close very close to these bar highs. You want the close of your price action to be very close to the bar lows. Sorry, excuse me. I meant bar lows of the previous support or resistance, depending on whether you're buying or selling. In our case, we're buying. So you want these bar lows to you want these bar lows to create a nice area of support, and you want your price action to close very close. You want it to close near these bar lows. That's what you want. You don't want your price action to close well above these bar lows. You want it to be as close as possible to these bar lows so that you can get a very tight stop. Okay, so your stop will be in a very good place, and this area here will be it will be an area. It will work as support for price so that it won't break the opposite direction. Okay, so it's kind of hard for me to explain it in simple terms because it's so easy to do, guys. I mean, if you look at your charts and you go through and you see these very strong areas of support and resistance, just always know that you want your price action to close very close to these areas of strong support and resistance. And I'm looking for this trade to get up at least to this area. Right here, I'll either take profit or I'll move my stop from down here just at the low of this pin bar to break even and see if we can get even a push even higher. So I'll give you guys an update. Alright, so you see, guys, I'm back for a final update of this trade, and price has broken through this first area and now it's began to push up. I'm actually out of this trade. I would have loved to be at break even and see how this would turn out, but to be honest with you, I really wanted to lock in profit, especially because my my order triggered just above here, and I know that it's very likely for price to actually come back down within this bar or within the next bar. So yeah, I got out this trade, but as you can see, it did exactly what we expected it to do. And guys, just always make sure that when you're trading pin bars, make sure that you get them in the right location with a close that's very close to the previous support and resistance levels. So alright, glad you guys tuned in. If you got anything out of this video, please hit the like button and be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.